Hey, what's up guys? Jason here from Eustis. I'm on a job site. I want to show you guys. I've had a lot of people ask me about tapered insulation board that you put on flat roofs. They want to see it going down. I want to show you guys that. And also we got a standing seam metal roof that's going on this. All right, so I'm getting down here with a flat roof. We've got an insulation board. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. So here is the flat roof, and here's a side view of the insulation board. If you notice right here, it starts out at probably about, I think it's a ½ inch here. And then by the time you get back here, it looks like it's an inch and a quarter, somewhere in there. So you've got sloping this board down, and all these plates are what hold it down to the deck, which is underneath here. Not real pretty yet, but we're gonna make it nice. Here's your traditional flasher from your typical roofers, which is a galvanized flashing here. We're gonna pull this out, put some really nice shiny flashing in. That's gonna be there for a long time. And here's your fasteners. I wanna show you guys what that looks like. So here's one of your screws that goes in it, and then here's a plate which holds the board down. And then it's got a little beveled edge where it goes inside, so it kind of sits below the surface a little bit so that it's not poking through. We're gonna put this ply base down. You pull the paper off the bottom and you stick it, and then we're gonna do 3 plies on this particular roof, and then it's gonna get its top sheet when it's all finished. These corners right here, you got a lot of water coming down, and then it slopes back off, so you don't have a lot of slope. So you got like a turn here, and then you're gonna have a turn in your flashing, and you're gonna have leaks in here. And you can see we've got caulking, we've got roofing tar, we've got some kind of tape here. Here's the old roofer, has a termination bar behind the window here, and you can see where it stopped just a little bit short. So you got water that's coming down in here. We're gonna have to get way back behind here. You can see there's some more tape. So they've had a lot of leaks, roofing tars, everything they can do to stop the leak. And then they called Eustis. And so after that, it's over. We're gonna take care of that problem for them. Here's our Galvalume. It's a mixture of aluminum, and then you have a galvanized piece here. This is the old flashing. This is the old roofers. This is the new. Now here's a nice piece of drip edge. So look at that flange right there. See the flange? Got a good flange to it. There's a panel that's gonna hook on like that and go up the roof. This flange is pretty big. Most of the time the flange ends here, but we made it a little bit longer so we can get more of that roof slope onto it, get a better connection. It's gonna look a lot cleaner, keep it a lot smoother on this edge, because it's kind of wavy. So this is gonna help smooth it out a little bit, make it look nicer when we're done. Anytime you're working on an old house, it's a little bit more challenging. So we've got to take particular steps to make sure it looks really nice. We can't just say, oh, it's an old house, so that's why the roof doesn't look good. We're gonna do everything we can to make this roof look awesome. Here's one of the sides that we're working on. Now we've got it all in high temp peel and stick right now, so that if we have any rain or any weather, we're good, we're dry. A really cut up job, really difficult. But man, wait till you see the difference when we're done. The old flashing went underneath here. So we're gonna get back behind there further. And you can see they ran the peel and stick way back behind up the wall. That's super important. Most roofers will run it into there and stop because they don't think it matters. And those little details do matter. We're gonna transform this roof so it looks really good. It's gonna be the best looking roof in the neighborhood, and the best part about it is the first home on the street. So we'll be back when we're finished with this job to show you what we did, the transformation that we made, and we're gonna bring this old house back to life.